A980 robot vacuum cleaner. And here are all the parts that come inside the box. There are 4 side brushes that come with it. You only need 2 for the robot, and the other 2 are extra ones. This blue one is the cleaning brush, and it comes with the small blade. And if you have hair or fur stuck under the roller brush, you can use it to cut it off. And here is also an extra air filter. There is already one installed inside the vacuum. This is the extra one and your remote control. And this is your bungee strips. It's recommended to use bungee strips for the areas where the robot can drop, for example, like stairs. The robot actually comes with the anti-drop sensors, but it's still recommended to use the bungee strips just in case. So right now, let's test it. To test it and see how it works, I put a lot of garbage on the floor, and there are small pieces of napkins, dog fur, and then I have small sesame seeds, and also large sunflower seeds. Right here, more sesame seeds and also some feathers from the pillow. And let's get the vacuum started and see how well it cleans. Alright, let's use the remote control to start auto cleaning.
Start auto cleaning.
You can also use the remote controls to direct where the robot goes, and let's try that. After 15 minutes of usage, you can see it has already collected a lot of junks, dog fur, hair, feather, and whatever junk I was putting on the floor earlier. A lot of dust as well. On the roller brush, I don't see a lot of junk stuck to it, maybe a couple of my hair. On the side brush, there's more hair stuck to it, but it's expected because I have pretty long hair. And thank you for watching our basic test for this Amarey A980 robot vacuum cleaner. Have a nice day.